Yo, it's your boy JamonDidIt, and I'm back with another tutorial. So today we gonna head and do this drop fade, mid fade, whatever y'all wanna call it. But so right here in step one, I'm just making my first guideline, man. You could do this with your fading clippers, your balding clippers, man, whatever you want to use. There's different ways to do it. You're gonna want to pick out the hair so you can get a good even cut. So to take it down, I'm gonna take my Stylecraft Sabers and I'm gonna put that 2 on there with the gamma guards. And we just gonna cut it down to a nice even level. He said he wanted to go back to the wave, so this is what we doing. So my first step, I'm gonna start off with my clipper blade all the way open. I'm just gonna make my first little guideline. I'm trying to stay as low as possible because you don't want the fade going up too high. I like using my zero guard from Stylecraft because I feel like it's just a little bit more forgiving and it kind of gives me that middle layer fade that I really don't have to work too hard for. Now go back to your 2, lever all the way open. You want to go ahead and try to get out that top line. Then close it up if you need to try to blend it down a little bit more. Now we're going to come back with our 1 guard. So we're going to barely flick because we really don't want to use another guard if we don't have to. So if we barely flick, this will kind of be like that 1.5 right in between that 2. Now let's go ahead and knock out this bottom line. Close up our blade all the way. We're literally just gonna barely hit the line. And if you go up too high, you will make a new line, so be careful. It was extra, but since I did cut his hair off, I did want to give him waves on the same day. But yeah, if you do want this service, yeah, just let me know. I'll definitely get you right. But while I'm doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and knock down his facial hair, line up his goatee, and line up his mustache and stuff. Let's get the rag off. Got a little something going on. Now this is to make the waves pop as well. You want to come back and hit these wild hairs. It does matter. Don't let them tell you it doesn't matter because it does make a difference. It's the little things that help you be able to charge the prices that you really want to charge. As you can see, the hair just falling off like butter right now, man. Shout out to the new Cyborgs, man. Now right here, let's go ahead and get this lineup going, man. These hairs that's laying over, man, so don't think I pushed them back, man. Just tap and go. Just tap and go. And this is after the razor work, man. So as y'all can see, man, we on point, man. He's fucking with it, I'm fucking with it. We all good. Another happy customer, man. So yeah, if y'all want to see more videos or tips, man, just hit the comments, man. Let me know if y'all like this, man. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and YouTube at JamonDidIt, man. I got more videos. Tap in. I ain't had shit, so I'm stuck in